In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download an entire YouTube playlist directly to your computer step by step. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser you use and go to YouTube. Now, go to your channel by clicking your profile icon at the top and then selecting your channel. Once you're on your channel page, click on the Playlists tab. Here you'll see all your created playlists. Choose the one you want to download and click View Full Playlist. Now you're inside the playlist view, you'll see all the videos listed one below the other. The top right corner of the playlist section, you'll find 3 vertical dots. Click on them. From the drop-down, you'll see an option that says Download. Click on that and the playlist will begin downloading to your computer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips.